Get ready for the dictation in 3, 2, 1, start. Madam, the NMDC was very flexible. Firstly, it took the view joint venture is necessary. Secondly, it took the view if joint venture is to be had, let the NMDC have 51% equity. Thirdly, it said it should be allowed to have 40% equity, the remaining to be distributed among others. And they said we do not require any allotment through the budget. We can do it on our own. Madam, when this proposal was earlier put up to the Planning Commission in 1992, the Planning Commission gave first stage clearance for exploitation of this ore by the NMDC. Madam, what could be 2B's rate of return? 19%, whereas the rate of return for 10 and 11A, which the minister generously cleared recently to cover up these approvals. After all, our minister is quite experienced. He knows how to perform operations and how to organize cover ups in only 14%. The minister has in his statement rightly stated, after all, he also cannot say wrong things all the time. He does say quite a few right things once in a while. It is not possible for anybody to keep on saying wrong things all the time that today we produce 17 million tons and by 2001 or 2002 we will be requiring or we will be capable of producing 37 million tons. The minister is right. If India is to produce 37 million tons of steel, including sponge iron steel, if some parties are given captive iron ore, what will happen to the rest? That is point. Let me tell you, madam, I am not a doctrinaire person. I am not opposed to privatization. I am not opposed to globalization. We will have to take decisions on the merits of each case. Of course, I don't of each case. Therefore, if you give captive iron ore to some other will be starved. This was the thrust or the theme of the NMDC. This was the burden of the sound of the NMDC, which has not been heard by our minister. Madam, all right, you take a decision to go in for a joint venture. My friends have asked, and I consider it proper to reiterate that question: how can the government fix 11% equity for the NMDC? Stop. Thank you.